Hello, it is Friday, January 6th, 2012 at 2:12 a.m. Central Standard Time. And we have something really interesting coming out of New Jersey here. Actually, there's two of them. And we've got beams going every which way but loose. Let's see if I can zoom in a little more. Loops ending at 8 p.m. or 8 UTC and starting about 5 UTC on January 6th. And let's slow it down even more. Actually, let's stop it and we'll click through and see what we see. As you can see, it's a very odd shape, and it goes down through the colors. It's hot in the middle, and then it actually comes down to the blues around down here. Okay, let's see. First, we got a beam coming out of Fort Dix, New Jersey, going this way. Let's see, I'm going to have to move it this way a little more to show you that it seems to be beaming towards or off of some kind of energy source here. I assume it's a wind farm. I don't know for sure. And it's just to the southwest of State College, Pennsylvania. I think that's State College Doppler right there. It's kind of hard to see. It's kind of dark. Let's see. And then we also have a beam. I think it's coming down from New York here. I'm not sure what city's right up there. And looks like we've got a beam coming down this way, down towards Delaware, Dover Air Force Base. Here's that beam again. And then we got this little thing growing right here. Quickly too, because it goes from, this is 5:48 to 5:52, so a matter of 4 minutes. It gets that 5:55, 5:59, 6:02, 6:06, 6:09, 6:13, 6:16, and now we got another beam going backwards towards this energy source. Actually, if I, well, no, it won't show quite. Just won't make it. And then as it's going, we get this dazzle beam type effect out of, let's see, that's Delaware, Dover Air Force Base, Delaware. And that stayed on, let's get the time on that. Came on at 6:30, stayed on at 6:34, and off at 6:37. Got more beams going up here. I think it's coming down out of New York because they're a little bit finer here, and it seems to get wider. And now we've got another one growing. There's a little slight tick right here. Right here, I'm going to go back one. Actually, it's coming right here. Going back another one. Not sure if it's coming from there or not. But anyway, it's coming out of this piece of New Jersey, so I'm not sure where it is that it cuts in like that. And just grows. It goes from 7:12 to 7:15, so 3 minutes it went from here to here, or it painted that in the sky, one of the two, I'm not sure. 7:19, 7:22. I'm going to back off a minute here so you can see them both and still zoom back in a little more. $7:29, it got hot in the middle, it got red in the middle. 7:33, and it's taking on the same shape as this one was. Well, that's interesting. And that's the end of the loop. So I'm wondering if more are going to show up. And I let it play through. And let's go look at some of the next rod loops. This is Fort Dix, New Jersey, Philadelphia. Let me slow it down. Time is up in here. But you can see it's at the top of the scale here. White's at the very top, and it's just totally saturated. Most of the whole shape is, and you can see the beam coming back here. Going to Dover Air Force Base, Delaware. You can clearly see that beam coming out. I'm going to slow it. I'm going to actually click it through here. We're going backwards. We've got a beam coming out of Dover here. Let me go backwards a little bit more. To the beginning, right here. Actually, right at the point it gets hit, it was in clear mode. And then at the point the beam came out, it switched to precipitation mode and stayed in precipitation mode. And so far there's no beam to get this one, the second one. Let me go ahead and let it play through. I'm going to slow it down a touch. Okay. And then let's go look at State College here, Pennsylvania. Here's that, I just saw something flying out here. Here's that, I guess a wind farm. It looks like it's right on the county line there. Let me zoom in. Right here. And there's a beam going back this way, and it seems to, oops, go slower. Play. There's a beam, another beam. I'm going to zoom back out. And we seem to have some of the snake clouds going through also. Actually, there's beams going here. Another one going up here, going straight north, just before the end there. Going back, that beam's at 1061. Why can't I read this? Brief 10. Let me go forward and see what it's doing. Oh, that's part of that. It's 611 UTC. The beam. Did I miss one here? No. It looks like the end of the beam here, but I'm not sure. But that's pretty hot too right away. And then the beam up north is here at 739. And these just seem to, well, they seem to come out of nowhere because that's the beginning of the loop. That's it. Okay, so that's the beginning of the loop right here. Okay, and then let's go look at New York, which was sending down a beam. I think it was this one here. Albany, New York. Let's see. Yeah, it's coming out of Albany. You can see it right here. So anyway, there you have it. I'll let you know if I find anything else on it. God bless you. Have a good rest of the night.